Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to order paper checks through Lendingclub. In today's digital world, sometimes you still need a paper check for rent, security deposits, or certain payments. Lendingclub allows you to order them directly. Here's how. First step, log into your Lendingclub account. Open the mobile app or log in on the website, and once you're in, go to your checking account dashboard. Next is to navigate to check services. You're going to look for order checks under the account option. This usually is within account tools or services. Next is to select your style and quantity. You can choose the number of checks that you want. Could be 25, 50, or 100. Lending clubs may offer basics or custom styles. Next is to confirm your mailing address. Double check that your checks will be sent to the right place, and you can update your address here if necessary. Next is to review and place your order. Checks for any fees associated with check ordering. You want to make sure that you have the right digits in mind so that you don't run into unexpected cost. And also submit your order, and your checks will be mailed within 7 to 10 business days. Finally, you can use checks safely. Store your checkbook securely, and be sure to record each check that you write in order to track your balance. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.